Leader.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move the following motion on the establishment of a special committee to investigate and report on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. Mr. Speaker, sir, whereas pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act, on Thursday, the 29th of February 2024, the Kisii County Assembly approved a motion to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. And further, whereas by a letter dated 1st March 2024 and received in the office of the Speaker, the Senate on the 2nd March 2024, the Speaker of the Kisii County Assembly informed the Speaker of the Senate of the approval of the motion by the County Assembly and further forwarded to the Speaker of the Senate documents in evidence of the proceedings of the Assembly. And whereas pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and the Standing Order 81(b) and 9 of the Senate by resolution may appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter. Now, therefore, pursuant to Section 33(3)(b) of the County Governments Act and the Standing Order number 81(b) and 9, the Senate resolves to establish a special committee comprising of the following senators. 1, Senator Seki Olekanar. 2, Senator David Wafula Wakoli. 3, Senator Mariam Sheikh. 4, Senator Joe Nyutu. 5, Senator James Lomonen. 6, Senator Professor Margaret Kamar. 7, Senator Okio Mtata. 8, Senator Beth Siengo. 9, Senator Isa Juma Boy. 10, Senator Shakila Abdallah. 10, Senator Shakila Abdallah. 11, Senator Crystal Lasige, to investigate the proposed removal from office of Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, and pursuant to Standing Order number 82, to report to the Senate within 10 days of its appointment on whether or not its particulars of the allegations against the Deputy Governor to have been substantiated. Mr. Speaker, I repeat a phrase that I have said here many times, that in my experience as a senator, I have not found a way that you'd say is either perfect or imperfect in the consideration of an impeachment hearing. Both methods as provided for in the County Governments Act and our standing orders, either by way of a special committee or, Mr. Speaker, by plenary, are effective. Both have their own defects and weaknesses, and therefore it is for the House to elect. This is a proposal from SPC, once considered. But I want to reiterate, Mr. Speaker, that on this matter, the final decision lies with the members of this House. If the members do elect, Mr. Speaker, as we have proposed, to go way of committee, I will be glad to proceed with that particular business as proposed, Mr. Speaker. If they elect otherwise, Mr. Speaker, we are ready for duty as well. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, this is a straightforward matter. It's not my decision alone. It's a decision of the SPC, and the final decision is by the House. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, with those very few remarks, because this is a fair issue, I wish to request the Senator for Nairobi to second this motion.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I had, in fact, indicated to the leader of my majority, my friend, the Senator for Cheruiyot, that I intend to withdraw my support for this motion this afternoon for the following reasons, Mr. Speaker. Indeed, it is a fact.
So, are you seconding or not? He's looking for a seconder. If you're not seconding, just take your seat.
Unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, I cannot do that.
Okay, then take your seat.
I wanted to give the reasons.
No, you don't have to give reasons. We have to get a seconder for you to get an opportunity to give reasons.
Okay. Allow me to begin with the tail, then come to the head, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, at the meeting of SBC this Tuesday.
Senator Sifuna.
Yes.
Are you seconding this motion?
Unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, I cannot second this motion.
Then just take your seat.
Thank you.
Honorable senators. Order. Order. Majority Leader, you clearly do not have a seconder for this motion. Just have your seat. Have your seat, Majority Leader. Now, Senator Mandago, you freeze, you don't walk. Now, the motion for the establishment of a special committee, having suffered that setback, the fallback position is that this matter shall be heard in plenary. I will therefore be giving further directions in due course. Thank you. Next order.